Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the Scout aluminum horizontal roller. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the window and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here's the Scout aluminum horizontal roller. The configuration is an XO. I'm now ready to unpackage the product safely. I'm going to remove the screen and set it off to the side to prevent damage to it. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Starting with the correct size level, cordless impact screw gun, glass cup, tape measure, razor knife, pliers, a set of potting knives, one flimsy, one stiff, and the appropriate sealant. To recap, I've now unpackaged the product, removed the screen, and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, I'm going to show you the best practices of how to install the window using the appropriate sealant.